School. What is it and what does it do? Well, it's a place for learning, of course. A place to learn your ABCs and 1, 2, 3s. Wow, you've hit the jackpot. But most importantly, you've hit the ultimate jackpot because you're in Mr. Perich's class. It's okay if you're feeling apprehensive, but know that Mr. Perich utilizes a lot of techniques to help you become successful, including rigorous note-taking, top-of-the-line computer technology, and ways to study at home. But that's not all. Mr. Perich has devised a foolproof plan to be perfectly successful in his class, and he's summed it up in 4 easy steps. Step number 1, come to class prepared and on time. Studies have shown that one of the most important times of class is at the very beginning. And if you show up late, you can miss some very important information that might be beneficial later on. Step 2, pay attention and take good notes. It's very easy to get distracted, whether by a friend or thinking about the latest radio program that might have come out. But if your friend is distracting you, simply tell him, "Hey you, hush your fuss. I'm trying to learn here." Step 3, ask questions. Many children are worried that if they ask a question, one of their classmates might laugh at them and make them feel foolish. But truth is, there are no foolish questions. And if you have a question, then chances are somebody else in your class may have a question as well. Last but not least, take school home. The moment you walk through your door after school, you really ought to hit the books right away and begin your homework. If you're not sure how to do your homework, search it on the internet. Or you can have a conversation with a family member and maybe they can help. Yes, boys and girls, school is a really important place. And it's the place where you begin your future. Whether you want to be a doctor, a teacher, or a SoundCloud rapper, the school is the place to be. So while you're there, make the best of it, and all of your dreams will come true.